how to book flights on Qatar Airways online. So if you want to book flights on Qatar Airways, then first open up your Google or your Chrome, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Qatar Airways. Once you've searched, you need to go for the first, which is www.qatarairways.com. And here, you will have this kind of interface where you can simply go with the book now option. And once you go with book now, it will take you to the booking page. So you can simply choose if it's the return flight or one-way flight or multi-city flight. So choose the option and then choose the destination. So you need to enter from and to address and then choose the travel date and tap on continue and choose the passenger or class. So you can simply choose the class, economy or the premium one, and you can choose the adults and child and infant. So I'll be choosing one adult and then tap on confirm. And once you've done, you just need to simply tap on search flights. And once you tap on search, here you will have all of the flights on that day. So you can simply choose your departure date. So for example, I'll be choosing the one on September 4th. And here you will get all of the information of that flight. So you will have the flight details. It will have 2 stops and it will have these many hours. And you can simply tap on the economy option or the business option. So for example, I'll be choosing the economy option. And here you will have these options. So you will have all of these benefits and fees as per an adult passenger. So you will also have the unlimited flexibility if you choose economy comfort. Simply tap on select fare and then tap on confirm. And that's it. In this way, you can book flights in Qatar Airways online. Make sure to log into your account and then do this booking. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.